Enroll in CCNA Boot Camp. When you enroll in a CCNA Boot Camp, you are taking a giant leap forward in learning the Cisco skills in demand at many growing companies. After a week of intensive, hands-on training, you will be able to install, configure, and run local area and wide area networks, LAN/WAN, and dial access services for networks with 100 nodes or less. You will also learn about Internet protocols, remote IP, virtual LANs, frame relay, Ethernet, and access lists. At the end of the week you will take the CCNA exam and receive the Cisco Certified Network Associate designation, which shows employers, colleagues, and customers that you are a knowledgeable and well-trained Cisco associate. The advantage to choosing to enroll in a CCNA boot camp over a traditional or virtual course of study is the speed at which you will earn the designation and the intensity of the training. With an instructor available at all times to make sure you understand the material and performing the necessary tasks needed to learn the equipment, you will make faster progress in truly understanding the technology. Additionally, you will be able to work with and watch your peers as part of a team that is learning Cisco equipment and techniques. This valuable peer and teacher interaction will enhance your training experience and make it more enjoyable. Another advantage to the boot camp is that you will take the exam while the training is fresh in your mind rather than struggling to retain the knowledge over a span of several months. Some of the Cisco training partners offer a guarantee that you will pass the exam and may allow you to retake segments of the exam not initially passed. The education you receive at a CCNA boot camp will make a difference in your salary. TCP Magazine, an online publication for Cisco internetworking experts, recently published a salary survey for 2006 to 2007 showing that the average base salary for a CCNA is $76,500. Be realistic and understand that as a newly certified CCNA you may not start at that level, but you will find that many employers give salary raises for Cisco certifications. If you have been considering studying for your CCNA, enrolling in a CCNA boot camp is the fastest and most effective way in how to reach your goal. With Cisco systems bringing new products to market every year, and with most companies using Cisco routers and switches, you can't go wrong with a CCNA boot camp to jumpstart your career.